All right, imagine living next to a volcano. How much warning would I get before it blows? Is it hours, days, or gulp, just minutes? Let's break down the countdown to eruption. First up, here's the thing. Volcanoes don't all play by the same rules. Some give us a heads up for weeks, while others, not so much. The warning time depends on the volcano's personality, the type of eruption, and how closely scientists are monitoring it. So, what are the signs? Scientists look for three biggies: earthquakes, ground swelling, gas. When magma starts moving underground, it cracks rocks and causes tiny earthquakes. These are like the volcano's way of clearing its throat. Sometimes there are hundreds or even thousands of these little quakes. Next, the ground might start to bulge or swell. Imagine blowing up a balloon under a blanket. The blanket rises. That's what happens as magma pushes upward. Scientists use super-sensitive GPS and satellites to spot these changes, even if it's just a few centimeters. And then there's gas. Volcanoes release more gases, especially sulfur dioxide, right before erupting. If you see scientists sniffing around a volcano with gadgets, they're probably measuring these gases. But here's the plot twist. Sometimes all these signs happen at once. Sometimes almost none. For example, Mount St. Helens in 1980 gave off weeks of warning. Earthquakes, ash plumes, the works. But other volcanoes, like some in Indonesia, have erupted with just a few hours' notice. On average, if a volcano is being watched closely, scientists can usually give a warning between a few days to a few weeks. But if it's a remote volcano, or if the signs are subtle, the warning might be just hours, or even minutes. So what's the takeaway? The more instruments and scientists watching a volcano, the better our chances of getting a heads up. But volcanoes are unpredictable by nature. If you live near one, always have an emergency plan. And if you're just fascinated like me, keep following the science, because every eruption teaches us something new. All right, that's your countdown to eruption. Stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next one.